roving reporters, and welcome to the best of YouNewsTV. I'm Shannon Payette, here to guide you through the best stories and videos from YouNewsers across the country. People just like you who went from eyewitness to citizen journalist with just a camera and a click. The big story this winter is, you guessed it, the weather, and more specifically, the snow. But not where you'd expect.
I'm just standing near 182nd and Powell, and you can just see that driving should be your last resort. There's a TriMet bus stuck right now, and everybody's trying to get them out.
Heavy snowfall doesn't happen very often in the Northwest, and when it does snow, it usually doesn't stick around for very long. This video from YouNewser Chet JL4 in Gresham, Oregon, documents the unusual weather event.
My son parked here. We're at the Safeway on 181st and Powell, and while he was parked here, someone stole his chain, so now he's stranded, and we're trying to get him out and get him home.
We have about 13 inches of snow, and on top of that, about a quarter inch of ice.
There's rain coming down right now. You can see it in the snow. It's wet out here.
One of my neighbor's tree branches snapped due to the weight of the ice on its branches. It is a fresh break, and we'll probably see a lot more of that as the day goes on.
Nothing but snow. Moved here from Chicago 5 months ago to get away from the snow. How ironic.
However, some are more excited by the weather.
18 inches of snow, and it's still snowing.
My name is Chris Black, and I live in Hillsboro, Oregon, and it's Christmas Day, and it's my very first white Christmas, and I'm 50 years old, and this is awesome.
The Portland road crews aren't exactly equipped to handle excessive snow and ice. YouNewser Cronked set up a camera and created this time-lapse of cars trying and failing to make it up an icy hill.
Here we are in Bull Mountain. I'm going to show you exactly how icy our street is.
YouNewser Hockey Day created a temporary ice rink for his son to practice on. Ice isn't always so entertaining. Watch as a snowboarder escapes a near miss from a falling tree branch. Fortunately, folks in the Northwest found plenty of ways to enjoy wintry weather.
Preston, let go!
You never know when you'll witness a YouNews moment, so be sure to keep that camera handy. Once you've captured that video, submit it to YouNews and share your story. That's it for the best of YouNewsTV today. Remember, it's your news, your voice, and all it takes is a camera and a click.